open threat has been given by Maharashtra Mantri to Kangana Ranaut. Sena leader and Maharashtra Minister Anil Parab has now said that Kangana called Mumbai Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Now Mumbaikars will decide who will stay in Kangana, who will stay in Mumbai, I believe. Let's listen into that reaction. He goes on to call names for the actress. He says she is working as per a script that has been given to her.
चाहिए कि महाराष्ट्र के नेताओं की हिफाजत करना ये उनका काम है, सिर्फ बल्कि महाराष्ट्र के नहीं तो देश के जो बड़े लोग जो इस लिस्ट में है उनकी सबकी हिफाजत करना ये केंद्र सरकार का काम है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उन्होंने ये करना चाहिए ठीक ढंग से।
लेकिन स्टेट इंटेलिजेंस का क्या?
स्टेट इंटेलिजेंस अपना काम कर रही है और स्टेट इंटेलिजेंस को जो कुछ भी इंस्ट्रक्शन जाने वो गए हैं उसके ऊपर वो अपना काम बढ़िया ढंग से कर रही है।
कंगना अपने होम टाउन गई है, वहाँ से फिर से उन्होंने मुंबई का अपमान किया है।
ठीक है, उनको अभी यही काम है। अब उनकी जो मुंबई के प्रति जो प्यार है वो लोगों को इस बहाने दिख रहा है और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अब लोगों का ये अभी मुंबई का लोगों का ये इशू हो गया है कि जिस मुंबई को अगर पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर कह रही है तो इस पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में रहना कि नहीं रहना इसका निर्णय अब मुंबई कर लेंगे।
लेकिन बार बार वो शिवसेना का उल्लेख सोनिया सेना करके कह रही है, आप मंत्री हैं तो
उसकी पर्सनैलिटी डुअल पर्सनैलिटी है तो वो क्या बोल सकती है क्या नहीं बोल सकती है, उसको जिस तरह का स्क्रिप्ट, वो तो एक्टर है, स्क्रिप्ट के सिवा बोलेगी नहीं, तो जिस तरह का स्क्रिप्ट उसको दिया जाता है उस तरह का वो बोलती है।
कार्टून फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए भूतपूर्व जो नेवी में काम करने वाले थे उनको पीटा गया, बुजुर्ग है।
Arunil joins us for more on this. Now, Arunil, the Shiv Sena keeps talking about how Kangana is a non-issue. They're over it. They don't want to think about it. But every single day we see either a Shiv Sena leader come out, an MP, or the Samna come out and talk about Kangana. Now we have a latest minister who's come out and resorted to name-calling yet again, issuing an open threat to Kangana.
Well, Poonam, that is what is really ironic. In fact, the Shiv Sena leaders have been saying that Kangana issue is over for them. Sanjay Raut, in fact, said that. But every day in Samna, they have been attacking Kangana. Today also, Pratap Sarnaik, a Shiv Sena leader, compared Kangana with a dog. So such kind of a derogatory remark again been made by a Shiv Sena leader. Now, Anil Parab, a Shiv Sena leader and Maharashtra minister, giving out an open threat to Kangana, saying that she basically equated the city of Mumbai with Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. So now it will be the people of Mumbai that will decide who will stay in the city. I mean, really horrific kind of threats coming from the Shiv Sena leaders. He also saying that Kangana Ranaut is basically speaking according to a script which has been given to her. She is, these kind of threats, these kind of really extreme statements coming from the Shiv Sena leaders is extremely appalling at a time when they are saying that it remains a non-issue for the Shiv Sena now. However, when Kangana Ranaut left from the city of Mumbai as well, there have been several statements that are coming from the Shiv Sena leader. Anil Parab here clearly giving out an open threat to the actress.
Absolutely. Anil Parab is just the latest entrant in the long list of Shiv Sena leaders who've resorted to name-calling, to issuing threats, to, threatening the actress about leaving. This comes on a day, Arunil, that she left back for Himachal from Mumbai. She was there in Mumbai for a couple of days. This after part of her office was demolished by the civic body.
Well, when Kangana Ranaut was in the city of Mumbai, probably at that time it was a non-issue for the Shiv Sena leaders because they were not really speaking about Kangana Ranaut. They were only putting out articles in their mouthpiece Samna. But when she left, they have taken it a chance and they have started to hit back at Kangana Ranaut completely. Now, two Shiv Sena leaders, Pratap Sarnaik first making derogatory remarks against Kangana Ranaut. Now, Anil Parab giving out an open threat to Kangana Ranaut, saying that it is the people of Mumbai who will be deciding who will stay in the city. I mean, whether it is accepted or no, that is the big question that the viewers have to decide. But clearly, the Shiv Sena has completely lost the plot with respect to dealing with this sensitive issue of Kangana Ranaut, who was basically only criticizing the Maharashtra government and the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Right.
But the way Shiv Sena has responded to it, in fact, fact, Sharad Pawar also had opposed it, saying that the BMC shouldn't have done that because there are many illegal structures in the city of Mumbai. Speaking about the other issue also, Poonam, with respect to the Navy veteran being attacked, Anil Parab spoke about it, also saying that nobody should speak against Matushri. It is like God for us. So anybody, people should be in their own limits. People should know where they stand before criticizing the CM of Maharashtra. So clearly they are not condemning the violence that was perpetrated against the Navy veteran. In fact, they are to an extent supporting it only.
Absolutely, and it's not just Shiv Sena leaders, it is also the entire Aghadi Sarkar. Arunil, we did see Abu Azmi of the Samajwadi Party also make similar threats in the past when Kangana had made the POK comment, where he also said that those who do not respect or those who do not take pride in living in Mumbai should not live in Mumbai, they should go to Pakistan.
Well, that is right. Abu Azmi also is very much part of the Mahavikas Aghadi government, and he had also said the same thing, saying that if she feels that Mumbai is like Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, she should not live in the city. Kangana Ranaut also, while leaving the city of Mumbai, she had tweeted about it, saying that the way she was treated in the financial capital of the country, the way her house was entirely demolished by the BMC, and the way the Shiv Sena leaders have been making crass comments against her, her statement of equating POK with Mumbai stands true. Now it is for the viewers and the people of Maharashtra to decide which side is right over here. Primarily, if you look at it, the BJP has given their support to Kangana Ranaut.
Right, stay with us. Let's listen into the Shiv Sena leader and a Maharashtra Minister Anil Parab and what exactly he said about Kangana Ranaut.
ठीक है, उनको अभी यही काम है. अब उनकी जो मुंबई के प्रति जो प्यार है वो लोगों को इस बहाने दिख रहा है, और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अब लोगों का ये अभी मुंबई का लोगों का ये इशू हो गया है कि जिस मुंबई को वो अगर पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर कह रही है, तो इस पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में रहना कि नहीं रहना, इसका निर्णय अब मुंबई कर लेगी.
लेकिन बार बार वो शिवसेना का उल्लेख सोनिया सेना करके कह रही है. आप मंत्री हैं तो
उसकी पर्सनैलिटी डुअल पर्सनैलिटी है, तो वो क्या बोल सकती है क्या नहीं बोल सकती है, उसको जिस तरह का स्क्रिप्ट, वो तो एक्टर है, स्क्रिप्ट के सिवा बोलेगी नहीं.
Majid Memon of the NCP with us on the phone line. Social activist Abha Singh also with us on this broadcast. Majid Memon, first to you, the Shiv Sena keeps saying that Kangana is a non-issue, we are over it, but it doesn't seem like it because every single day, either through their mouthpiece Samna or through a leader, they keep talking about Kangana.
I think this is going to end up now. It is at the last stages because all the happenings have already happened. Only thing is that her plea with regard to BMC's high-handedness is going to be heard on the 22nd of September. So the chapter will again open on the 22nd of September. But in all fairness, I think too much of hounding or too much of criticism both from both sides. I think it should have many more important issues to attend to as far as Mumbai is concerned, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, as country is concerned, and more particularly when pandemic is bothering us so much that we have to consider how lives can be saved. I think we should spare this artist and now deviate ourselves to issues which are more important.
Absolutely, there are far more important issues that should concern the Maharashtra government. Abha Singh, we have seen what Shiv Sainiks are capable of. We did see that in the case of the Navy veteran also, who was beaten black and blue. Now we have a minister who comes out and says, Mumbai dekhegi, kya karna hai Kangana Ranaut ke saath. He must know that his statement like these could have repercussions.
Of course, politicians should not instigate the gullible public, but let me tell you, Mumbai is a city which is far safer for women compared to Bihar, Uttar Pradesh or any other state. In fact, everybody has a freedom of opportunity to work, to practice, and I think politicians cannot decide for either the actors or for any migrants that who will come and stay in Mumbai. So that is a closed chapter. They should not even tell things like this, that they will decide who will come to Mumbai. But at the same time, definitely we have issues like the pandemic, we have migrant issues, unemployment. I think we should now focus on these issues and forget Riya Chakravarti and Kangana Ranaut for some time.
Absolutely. Abha Singh and Majid Memon, thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. Arunil, also thank you for getting us that update. A quick break here on this edition of Live Wire. Back with more updates on the other side. Stay with us.